Hello friends, this is Beleghata Subhasarobar Lake. I'm in my evening walk where I'm recording this for you to show just such a beautiful nature in the heart of our city Kolkata. That's why we tell that Kolkata is a queen of all cities in India. This is very beautiful. You can see the last green, the blue sky just before Durga Puja. It is Sharat Kal in Bengali. You can see the gods and goddesses in the right of my side. In left of my side, there's a last green park full of greenery. You can have a very good walking with the smoothness of your eyes. And in front of me, the Lord Shiva Murti. The right side, there's a big ground. Boys and girls all come here for football, cricket, and volleyball practice. This road goes towards Sor Lake, towards the Hyatt Regency Hotel. It's a very beautiful park. We